Alright guys, Duffy112 back at the house. Well, I'll show you guys what I picked up at Cabela's first. I had an in-store pickup. I picked up this box of Winchester Super X. It comes in this wooden mini crate. As you can see, it's just Winchester regular Super X 500 round. There are 10 50 round boxes in there. I don't have any of this Winchester, so I wanted to get some. I know Walmart carries these, but I've never seen these for sale at Walmart, so I definitely wanted to pick those up. This went up for sale online like a week or so ago, so I popped on it. The price was $34.99. It's a little high for 500 rounds, obviously, but it comes in this sweet wooden case. Walmart carries these boxes for like 33 and some change, so I feel like it was a pretty good deal. And so I went ahead and bought this and picked it up in store. And then what was funny is, as you guys saw, is they had a bunch of these on the shelf. I actually bought mine a couple of days ago. I picked it up. It was another in-store pickup. What's cool inside it is a 300 round Winchester white box. So I thought that was pretty cool with the little case and the clasp and everything like that. They want $26.99 for them. That's definitely too high for 300 rounds of white trash. So I could have bought another one of these while I was in the store, but I didn't. For that price, I picked up one for my collection, and that's all I'll need. So it was kind of cool. I got two of the wood boxes today, so that was pretty sweet. And then in stores, Cabela's, they have this 223 $7.29. I can't pass it up at that price, so I picked up some more of it. You gotta just get a little bit every day, and eventually we'll have a whole shitload of it. Other than going out and spending a bunch of money on like a 100 round pack, these are just the same price, if not cheaper. So, and then everyone, the grandmother's been picking up these ZQ eyes, 123 NATO. They had a whole bunch of these. There's no limit on 9mm at my Walmart, but I just wanted to get 3. If I came home with $200 worth of 9mm, the wife would have killed me. $12.97. So picked up 3 boxes. I don't know if that price goes back up or you can't get these anymore. I was talking to my associate. He didn't know anything about the price going up or anything. So whatever that's worth. So maybe I'll be getting some more of them. But that's about it. And the other thing was at Gander, they had the auto snatch, and for 20 bucks, I passed on it. I could have easily bought one, but I might pull a Colossal Ammo and print off that flyer or whatever from Midway and see if they'll match the price at whatever, $16 and some change, and then I'll pick one up. So I'll try that tomorrow. They'll probably still be there tomorrow. I don't know, maybe they'll have some of those mini mags in. I'd rather get those instead of that auto snatch, so we'll see tomorrow how that goes. But yeah, that's it. I got the old Winchester white boxes today. I thought that was pretty cool. Sweet little box. Good collector's item right there. So, all right, Duffy112 is signing out.